talking about discussing, and I ate a bug while we were talking. I literally tasted, but I didn't want to make a scene.
Oh my word.
So that's awesome. But I didn't... Alright folks, welcome back to another episode of Live Today Like It Matters. On this episode we're going to talk about our rig and kind of go over a brief tour of the outside and the inside.
Yeah, this is a preview video since we're still just getting set up, but
Yeah.
we wanted to show people what we've done so far.
Yeah. So I'll do a little brief outside tour, and then Sarah will do the inside of the rig, what we have, and the kids might pop in and talk about their space.
Yes.
So,
and it was very important to us that everybody had their own spaces.
yeah.
Yeah.
Rig. We did look at several rigs and some different floor plans and options. We did narrow it down such to that we wanted a grand design,
Yes.
of a better resale value than some other ones. So that's the reason why we personally chose it. And there's some other layouts. We'll explain that later.
Yes.
This is the one that works well for us so far. So yeah,
Yeah, this got us on the road.
it did. It's getting us going, giving us some experience. You're like, a lot of times you don't know until you try. So this is a great way to try. This is the Grand Design Reflection 308 VHTS model. It's a 2017, but it's features that we like, and we'll discuss that later.
Yes.
All right, guys. Hey, so I'm here just to show you the outside of the rig, outdoor living space, if you will. Kind of set it up. We have our little gas fire pit. If we're not doing a real fire, we have this gas pit, and the awning is out right now, and there's a strip light on it. It makes it nice when it gets dark out. And you'll kind of see some stuff that's under the rig here. It's been raining a lot lately, and a lot of the stuff goes into the truck and or elsewhere, but right now we just have a truck underneath there to keep it out of the rain, and I was using the truck. But as far as the rig goes, so right here, this is what we would consider the basement of this, and we actually put our United States map on there to see where we go. We've been to these 3 states: Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. Hope to add more very soon. But anyway, storage in here. It goes all the way through. Since we're right here, we'll just go ahead and wrap around. We've got the gas, fuel tanks. We have the bikes under the tarp. It's the rain. And then this is the pass-through of that basement storage I was telling you about right here. And this is where you have the water hookups and septic hookup. And electrics in the back, but where you see the slide sticking out. I think we mentioned it, if I haven't already, we mentioned it inside, but this is the Grand Design Reflection 308 VHTS model. Coming over here, this is the slide, the kitchen slide. This is where the range is, and the gas stove, the refrigerator, the pantry there, that pops out. Like I said, we do have some stuff stored underneath there. It makes it actually kind of nice because when it's raining out, you can kind of put your folding chairs underneath there, keep it out of the weather when you're not using them. All right, this is one of my favorite spots of the rig here, and this is the outdoor kitchen. So this is really nice because it gives you basically another microwave here. You have cabinet storage here and here, and it's about the depth of this. A secondary fridge, and storage. This actually has a pop-out gas stove you can use. We don't use it a lot. It has not. You can use it. I tend to use more the Blackstone here, which is actually this is a piece of nice counter space here. But when I'm storing it, when I'm using this, it goes over onto a table, fold-out table. But when I'm storing it, it sits right here and actually fits really nice. You do have an outdoor sink, which is nice, and there's some more space. So it just makes it nice to work out here. I do my grill station. And when it's hot, you can cook out here, you can keep stuff out here, it makes it convenient, so it's a pretty cool spot. Yeah, and then the back side here is where we keep all our bikes. It's built in a slide, kind of swing around. This is both of the slides that we'll point out, and the inside we'll show you the bunk slide and then the living room slide. So yeah, but this is a 36-foot rig that we have, a travel trailer, and So far, we've liked it a lot. It's been fantastic for us. This is our first starter rig. It's a great experience, and so that's about it on the outside. We'll do some more detailed stuff and show you some storage, some of the compartments we've done, how we've done it, and kind of give some more detailed stuff later on. So be stay tuned.
Hey, welcome to our home.
All right.
RV tour. We are going to show you guys a tour of our RV. We have been looking forward to doing this for a little while. Today actually felt like we had friends coming over because we were getting everything all ready. So we're just going to give you a quick tour. We have 3 slides. This main part has 2 slides. So this whole part right here is a slide, so it comes all the way in when we're traveling, and then the kitchen part right there is a slide, and it comes all the way in when traveling. So this is where we spend the majority of our time when we're inside the rig, and so we have a nice little island, and the sink is right here, so both of these just lift up, and then we just store our dish drainer in here. And then on this side, you can see we have storage. We keep our bigger appliances down there, like our Instapot and our air fryer. And then I really like the microwave. It works as a convection oven, and so we use the convection quite a bit. We haven't used our range or our oven yet. So this just lifts up like this. And then we have 3 eyes, and then
That's all gas, right?
yes, it is all gas. So we haven't really used that. We haven't needed to. And then we have a small fridge, but we can hold about 2 weeks worth of groceries in the refrigerator, in a pantry. So we're not gonna open that. Things are just kind of shoved in there. We went grocery shopping yesterday. But we can give you a peek at our pantry because we've been working on organizing this. So this is, we just kind of move things around and put some bars in when we're traveling. But that's basically
a lot of nice storage though.
It is. I really like how much space we have in here. And these are really nice. Jeremy found these for us. And then we have more storage over here, and we just keep things in the bins. So we have specific things in each bin, which makes it easier for organization. And then that's like our paperwork and stuff in there.
We like it because it's our coffee bar.
Yes, our coffee bar. So we love having our coffee, and we just do French press coffee, and we like to grind our own coffee beans.
Cool.
So when we were looking at the rig and we saw that space, we knew that was going to be for our coffee. Live today like it matters.
Nice.
Because it does. We're going to talk a lot more about that and why we chose that as our theme. So that's pretty much all of the kitchen. We do have a closet when we walk in. So this is the door that Jeremy came in when he entered the rig. And then we have a little closet that we're still working on, but you can hang coats and umbrellas and dog things in there. Okay, so we have more storage, and this is more of our media closet. So we're just gonna continue to organize that space. And then of course we have like controls and whatnot in there. And our fireplace, which we love. This feature right here is one of the reasons why we picked out this particular.
We like the entertainment center kind of being all right there.
Yes, we do. We like, there's another version of this reflection. It's the
313.
Is it 313?
Mm-hmm.
So it's flip-flop. So the living room area is over there, and then the kitchen's over here. But the fireplace and TV is along the wall with the kitchen. And so
we just like this layout.
We did. We like the corner feature right here. And then we have, this is just our dining and our seating area. And we just kind of move things around as we need it. We'll pull out the stools and different things like that. so we can have more space. So that's pretty much it right here. Okay, so we're gonna head over this way. So we have our magnet board. So we just collect magnets when we go to different places, which this is gonna get filled up pretty fast. And just a to-do list, so we like to know what we're working on. So that's something. Victor, this is Victor's. He wants to drive the truck before I do. We'll see if that happens. And then this just comes into our bathroom, which has been working out really nice for us. So we have our own, this is more mine and Jeremy's and then family storage type space. And then there's some storage underneath here. And then we have the kids' storage space. They have to-go bags for when we're at a campsite that has bathhouses, and they can just grab their to-go bags. And then it has a pretty nice size shower. It just opens up like this.
Yeah, it works adequate for us.
Yeah, it works really good. We like it. And then this opens up to our room, which we're going to show you next. So you can go ahead and shut that and meet me in the bedroom.
All right, this is the door going in here. Off the...
So this is mine and Jeremy's space. We like it. So we have storage up here. We have our own closet. So this is Jeremy's closet and that's my closet. It goes all the way back. So in my closet, I have winter clothes in the back and a suitcase, and then we have shelves for our clothes. And then there's actually storage under here. We actually have a pretty big size storage space that we keep things that we don't need all the time, but we might need on our trip.
And this one we like because it also came with the second AC unit.
Oh yes.
It's an add-on to this model. You can have it. They have it pre-wired for it and set up, but this one came with it, so it's nice.
Yes. There wasn't very many that had the 2 ACs that we were able to find. So we do like that feature. And sometimes, most often, we just run our air condition at nighttime and we turn off the other one. So that's that space. And then we have the kids' bunk room, and they're going to give you guys a tour. We're just going to give you a peek, and then they'll be in and they'll show you their spaces. So we wanted a bunk house for our RV, and it's very important that our kids have their own spaces. So this is Victor's right here, and he has storage underneath, so he has slide out bins. And then this is Jack's space. Their LED lights are not on, but they do have lights.
We added these to kind of give them a...
Yeah, so they can just close it up. So if they need some of their own time, they can do that and just have they can go and read and do things in their bed. And then this is Katie's space. I was wondering where my pillow was. Katie snitched it. Okay, so, and she has this, and at night she just tucks this underneath. And then this is the dogs. So we have 2 mini dachshunds. You've probably seen them in our videos. And this is where they sleep at night. And of course there's lots of storage in both of these sections. There's some storage here. And then the kids have a closet here where they just keep all of their books and games and toys and stuff in here.
Nice.
So, and they'll show you more. So that's it. That's the inside of our Grand Design Reflection.
All right, who's this?
Me.
This is Jack. He's gonna tell you about his little space here.
So up here, I have my little space where I have my fluffy pillows. Where I
Nice.
keep all my keychains from everywhere we go.
So is that you're collecting one each place or what?
One in each state.
Nice.
And then when I have my nice disco lights when I want to read my books. I keep all my babies in the corner of shame.
Corner of shame.
They keep me up all night. And I have my nice soft blankets here, my neck pillow, and my weighted blanket.
Cool. Why do you like the weighted blanket?
Because it helps keep me calm.
Nice. And then you have a couple you have a shelf, and
Yep.
is it working out for you so far?
Yes, it's comfortable. It feels good when I'm sleeping.
Nice.
Okay,
this is my space. It's mainly just a futon that I'll pull out and push up when I want to be in bed, and in the morning I'll just turn it back into a sofa and throw all my stuff behind it. Now on moving day, I have to put them actually in these bins. That way they don't get under the slide. Then my 2 closed drawers are here, and I have some of my stuff on the top drawer in here.
Cool.
And that's my section.
It's working out for you, huh?
Yep.
Well, it's adequate space.
What? Yeah, it is. There's quite a bit of space under there.
Hi everyone, I'm Katie and this is my little space. I like to keep my little things up there. I like to make my area pretty. And those are my stuffed animals. I like to dress them up. And this is where I like to stay. I like to read my books, keep everything tidied. And I'll just put some of my loose things up there and keep it all nice.
Cool. What's with that sticker on the window?
That is my sign because I have 2 brothers that stay in here with me.
What does it say?
No farting.
Oh, that's important.
I've seen the sun rise from mountaintops, slept on the wrong side of tabletops. I've climbed up trees that don't seem to stop, but it's home where my heart belongs. And it's the same as it's always been. Yeah, these roads keep always drawn home.
What are you guys doing out here?
Gaming.
You're chilling? Gaming? What are you gaming on? Huh. Alright. Yeah, kids will hop in. Show their little spot. Whoops. So, you until you see we're done.
Like 10 minutes.
No, you'll live. You cut all that on tape. Oh my gosh.
Katie, 10 minutes.
Drank with beauties and common thieves, whose tales sound like make-believe. And I've called you from distant lands, flown to your side whenever I can. But it's a force I can't understand, no matter how long or where I am. Drawn home